Okay, it's July 5th, 2011, and I guess we got a little storm last night. I got about a quarter of one rain barrel full of water. Happened while we were asleep sometime. But right now, God, it's about 8:45 at night. Got a nice little light right here you can see. That's not water, that's dust. And man, there's a little tree to the left. I'm not sure if it's coming in very well, but it's just whipping like mad. Oh man, right to the right there in the bottom, you see that's my Tangelo tree. And my goodness, if it didn't look like it bent about 45 degrees a couple minutes ago. Man, it is just coming down with dust right now. The middle of a huge monsoon dust storm. We got a lot of lightning. Not really seeing any right this minute, but it's mostly just this huge dust cloud that we are stuck inside. Once that passes, you'll be able to see some lightning. It is, yeah, wow. Caught a little break right here, and thought I'd come show you the bad news, man. Check this out real quick. So here's this big old tree of ours, right? I made this little island here filled with compost, and it had some real nice, that's a fairy duster there it's called. I know it's hard to see here, but I had, as you can see right here, peeking through, I had about, I don't know, 15 flower heads of these sunflowers. It was a good, easy 6-foot tall sunflower. And these winds just came in and whipped it right out of the ground. Look at that. That's the taproot right there you're looking at. Ripped it right out of the ground. I don't know. I'll try to stick it in the ground tomorrow, but I think it's a goner. That's too bad. It looks real cool right here. I will get more. All those seed heads, I'm sure there's a couple of dry ones on there I could sprinkle around out here. Anyways, I don't know. Gotta love a good storm. Especially in Arizona monsoon, you know. Got the lightning. See if I can get some lightning in the background here. Oh, there we go.